here. All right, I was not expecting to get this box anytime soon because of all the weather that's going on here on the East Coast. So, but my box here, I only seen like one little sneak peek of it. I know it's supposed to be about home, in which I am branching out in my Etsy anyway, for one particular home decor, which I've known as moved to two now, between the dream catchers and now I'm starting to work on candles. So those are coming too, guys. But last year, I felt like Sophie and Toffee was channeling me and what I was moving toward for and my goals with my business and my lifestyle. And now I feel like they are doing the same, even now this year. I felt like I was just looking up. All right, so this is so cute. These cards, guys, these cards. This is definitely going in a frame. I'm gonna put this in a frame. It's called Perfect. Actually, oh, that's right. I think the home box is next week. I think this one is supposed to be about cats. I don't know why I said next week, but next month. But it's so cute. Look at it. Can't you just see it like right there, right there. Definitely gonna see tomorrow if I can get a frame to put it in. I'm not gonna almost peep in look, but open the box and I'm just gonna reach and grab. All right, so I've had some of these before. These are cute that they sent these out. I haven't made any keychains in a minute, but as you can see, very iridescent. And I think I'm just going to drop them right in the drawer for where they're going to go to be used later on. Our drawer is right there. Why not? Oh, look at this. Oh, wait, I'm dropping stuff. Rolled away. Look, it's a paw. Now, I think it's supposed to be like squishy. If you make it right, I think if you have any squishy resin, it's supposed to make it squishy. This would be perfect for if you had like memory of a pet, put something cute in there. This is really cute. I like this because one, it's about the animal. I love anything with animals anyway. So, oh, this is a big one. Hold up. Wait a minute. I think it comes with a light base. If you don't know, I have a cat. His name is Baden. We got him last fall, Mayboon, and his name means fall. We got him last fall. Wait a minute. Is this supposed to be a clock? Hold on. I'm really clueless on a lot of this stuff because of not really looking at the previews, but I believe it is indeed a clock. And as you can see the 12 and the 6 down here. Can you see that right there? The clock right there? Right here next to the perfect picture frame. And so, hold on, yep, we have pieces. All right, this is probably the first time I'm actually making something legitly for, like normally when I get their boxes, Sophie and Toffee boxes, I never actually make the thing that they actually want you to make, but I think I'm gonna be making a clock. So they give you some clockwork pieces here, and they give you, I don't want to take all these out because I don't want to lose them. So there's some bolts and nuts there, and this is obviously a clock, which will battery part that will take one AAA battery. So we're gonna put this all back in here. I don't want my daughter messing with this. I'm gonna put this in a drawer for later because I don't want her messing with that. Oh, what is this? Is it a fish with is it spitting butter? Is that supposed to be a butterfly on his nose? It just looks, I'm sorry, it just looks awkward, guys. It looks really awkward. Okay, yes. So I see the fish is a butterfly and it's sitting on the cat's face. Now, I'm not sure if it's gonna wind up being a shaker. It's quite interesting if it is a shaker. And guys, you know me and shakers, but it's very detailed in the position of the wing. Very detailed. I like that. So what's next? And there's still more in this box. You know they sent us so much. We have some quick makeup brushes, which is good for when you're adding those mica powders onto the places where you want to put them. Also, you can use it for makeup if you want to, but they send them mostly for the mica powders. Okay, so mostly they send these for the mica powders when you're applying them to a mold. Do you know though, I've noticed if it's a shiny mold, when you apply the mica powders, it kind of makes it matte. There we go. It makes it matte. And so you normally have to gloss back over what you did if you wanted to be glossy and shiny. Just FYI. And they sent us some shaker oil, and it's green. What is this? Hello. Is these pre-cut shaker film? But they look kind of iridescent. But it looks like shaker film. Like they pre-cut the shaker film for us. I'll see if I'm right later. Oh, grayish violet. That's a different color. I don't think we had like a grayish violet. And it kind of turns, it almost looks iridescent. But it does really do look like it's gray in a way. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get you guys to see the light. See the light? There we go. You can almost see that it's very muted violet, which makes it like a grayish violet. Like a lilac with a shine. Well, hello. What do we have here? This is a giant mold. Now the clock mold was big, but it was thin. This is a thick mold, and it's going to be glossy when it's over. Now, this is a tray. This is definitely a trinket tray dish. I can see me coloring in the ears, the color I want, and everything else be shiny. But this is really, really pretty. Now, if you know how to attach mirrors, this would be a perfect mirror as well. So there's much that you can do with that. Kitty, 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 kitties. Oh my gosh. All right, we have the cutest, tiniest cat embellishments. And there's two sitting cats and one stretching out his paw. So there's two cats that are sitting and one that looks like he's chasing or running. I'm gonna just hold them up here so you guys can see them. But that's really cute. They're really tiny and I don't want the embellishments to fall, so I'm just going to stick them in my little embellishment spot. And then we have, of course, we have some bezels. All right. Cat time. Kitty bitty bitty bitty. Sorry. I had a moment. All right, so these two cats are hugging. This is cute. Got one. I'm back. and then this one is holding a little kitten on its back. That's cute. And then this one has a kitten over his shoulder. So that's really cute. So we have one with kitten on his shoulder, one with a mom or dad kitten with a kitten on his back, and this is the one just giving the cat hugs. I do have a Bezels spot, so that is going in there. And they gave us some little confetti. Colorful confetti. Goes into that slot. Oh, little paws. These are cute. Now this is an assortment of little paws that you can decorate. They remind me of little erasers, but I'm quite sure, like, if you wanted to put one in your shaker, you have some paws to go in your shakers. And we have some eye screws, or if you're going to do necklaces or whatever, or turning anything into earrings. And then really super duper duper tiny earring, well, ear cat faces. So this is really tiny. Like, I feel like once you fill this and use UV resin definitely for this, you probably could make them into earrings or studs, which would be really cute. And I think we are done, just about. Hold on. Oh, they're really thin, but this is awesome. So this would be great for floating too, for shaker film. This is little pink paw prints. I know you guys can see them if I go this way. There we go. And they're not iridescent, but actually, I think they kind of are. They're like a pink iridescent. Let me pull this one. So I was completely wrong about the box. The box I thought it was is for next month. So this is a cat box, guys. And the iridescent is there. It's shiny. It's like a pink light iridescent. I'm gonna put him also in with my embellishment spot, and they gave us shaker film. I think I still have like quite a few from the last, not the last box, but I think it's the previous box we got shaker film, and it gave me 2 pieces of shaker film. And that is it, my friends. Purple paper, which I do have plans to use, because I have some stuff I have to send out. So we have, oh, wait a minute. This fell out the box. The camera's really right close on my face. I'm sorry. There was more bezels. There was more bezels. There was a whole nother side. I hold on to these little bags. I use them. We have, oh, these are cute. So here's the cat laid up, all curled up on his side. We also have one with the cat. It's like laying back and has a heart. Because his tail, you have to see his tail. His tail goes and curves around there. There you go. Now you can see it. Then we have a cat who has a little heart. So if you were wanting to do stuff for like Valentine's Day, his tail has a little heart on the top. And then you have this little cute guy. His tail's curled up and wrapped around to the back of his head. Those are really cute. I really like how they really show the whiskers on this one. I have a lot of bezels, and I still have to make quite a few more bezel things. And it's going to take me a while, because me and bezels aren't the best of friends yet. Just like me and shakers are not the best of friends yet. But let me show you guys this. It's my heat mat. when I do my Cricut stuff with pot stuff. So yeah. All right, this is gonna be done soon, but I have some other stuff that I need to work on first. Let's look at the booklet, shall we? So, Kitty Tray Silicone Mat. I can see Aisha Shah trying to make a mirror out of this, just FYI. We got the gold cat embellishments, the Paw Clock silicone. Look how they did theirs in like 3 different colors. Well, 4 different colors. No, 3. They used the blue, yellow, and pink. Then we got the green color water shaker, the holographic paws confetti. They are holographic, like I said. They're like a pinkish purple blue. And then a mica powder, the Cuddle Cats open bezels. That's where they were on their shoulders, on their backs. And then the Paw Crystal silicone mold. All right, so when this comes out, it's going to be like crystals. Like if you were making a Droots crystal or amethyst crystal. So it'll have that texture at the paws. Then they got the 2 keychains, the paw beads. Oh, those are beads. Those are beads. Had a moment in my head. All right, and then the screw eye pens, transparent film for shaker film, the holographic paw film. So those little thin holographic film you can probably put in the background of your paw crystal if you wanted to, if you want to try that out. Then the Happy Kitty open bezels, the Kitty shaker mold. That was a shaker mold. I might attempt it, we will see. And then the mini cat face molds, some jump rings, the sponge stick, the makeup stick, and then the luminous gems. So that was their perfect box, their kitty perfect box. I am most definitely gonna put this in a frame so that will stay up here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was all cat-tafic. Or cat-tafic-ler. I don't know which one you want to use, but it was cat-tafic. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure you like, follow, share if you want to. I know you guys are starting to see other videos pop up on my YouTube in regards to gaming, and that is going to be a continuous thing. It won't be long videos, but they will probably be like 1 hour to 2 hours. Once I get into Horizon Zero Dawn, it might jump to 3 to 5, according to what's going on. All right, so if you are a gamer and you do want to watch me play those games, I will be playing the Destiny game for the Witch Queen, and I will be playing Horizon Zero Dawn, and we'll be planning to add more gaming on. And I normally do it for like an hour at the end of the day around nighttime. I do it live, okay? So you can even talk to me while I am playing. Other than that, the only other thing I can need to update you guys on is that candles are coming to my Etsy. More dream catchers are coming to my Etsy. And I'm moving away from the sewing stuff unless it's Monster Hunter. I think that covers everything. Thank you, Sophie Toffee, for continuously making these great boxes. These are cheaper boxes than their Disney boxes, most definitely. And cheaper than their L's box, for the fact that they send you all this stuff and products to work with, but they do not send you resin. So if you want resin included, or a chance of resin to be included, then you more so want to try to go for the L's box instead of this box. This was the Pixie box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again, and I will see you later. Peace.